Welcome, travelers, to the incredible land of Georgia. Today, we're taking you on a journey to discover the best travel places this beautiful country has to offer. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification, so you never miss our exciting travel explorations. Welcome to Royal Guide Travel. Let's begin our adventure into Tbilisi, the vibrant capital city. As you explore its charming streets, you'll be captivated by the blend of modern architecture and historic landmarks. Make sure not to miss the iconic Narikala fortress, offering breathtaking views of the city below. Next, we'll go to Mshketa, an old town that's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There you'll find the amazing Svetozofeli Cathedral, which is a really important part of the past. Get ready to be amazed by the Upplistsik cave city. It's like a village carved into rocks, showing how people used to build their homes a long time ago. Let's raise our glasses to Georgia's love for wine in the Kakheti region. You can see how they make wine the traditional way and taste some of the best flavors. For some ocean fun, visit Batumi, a city by the Black Sea called the Black Sea Pearl. The cool modern buildings are really impressive, and you can take a nice walk by the sea. Nature lovers, listen up. Kazbegi National Park is a paradise for people who love to hike and explore. There are tall mountains, pretty valleys, and a special church called Gergeti Trinity Church that you shouldn't miss. Our last stop is the incredible Vardsia Cave Monastery. This special place was carved into the rocks and has been a safe place for people to pray for many years. Start planning your Georgian adventure now. Whether you love history, nature, or food, Georgia has something for you. Share this video with your travel buddies and get ready for an amazing journey. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on our travels here at Royal Guide Travel.